Today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken cooked in sugar and fried plantains. You're going to need chicken drumsticks, 2 tablespoons of sugar, garlic, 1 chicken cube, 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock mix, 1 knife, 1 lime, 1 plantain, and a cup or a plantain squisher to flatten your plantains. First, put your chicken in a pot. Now you're going to squeeze 1 lime onto the chicken to clean it. Now wash it with water. Now peel your garlic and put it into 1 bowl. Now chop up or squeeze your garlic onto the chicken. Now take your stock mix and put it onto the chicken. Now mix it around. Now cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now pour a little bit of olive oil into your pan. Now put the sugar into your pan with the olive oil. And let the sugar get brown. Now that the sugar is brown, you can start putting your chicken in. Now, start turning the chicken around. Now, add 1 chicken cube and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Now, mix it around. Now, put water on it and let it cook until it's ready. Now, put olive oil in another pan. Now, open your plantain and cut it into little pieces, kind of like a banana. Now, take the peel off the plantain. Now, put your plantains onto the pan that you had oil on. Now, turn your plantains to the other side once they got kind of golden. After both sides are cooked, you put it onto a plate. Now when it's on the plate, you squish them with a cup or your plantain squisher. They kind of look like waffles, right? Now put it in the hot oil, flip it on both sides for about a second or 2. You don't want them to burn. Now you can flip them. Now put it onto a paper towel to strain the oil out of it, because you don't want to be eating all this oil. Now put a little bit of salt on your fried plantain. Here's our finished result. Here's our sugar chicken, our cauliflower, our rice, and our salted plantains. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos coming very soon, and subscribe to get our notifications when we upload. Thank you. Bye.